The way buildings are managed and maintained is about to change drastically. Currently, operational staff spends over 20% of their time looking for documents and information. They work in formats that are closed off and difficult to keep up to date, which makes sharing information a painful process and building management inefficient and expensive. But there is a solution. Vyer creates a collaborative environment where everyone can easily add all existing and new building information. This information can be added and linked to each point on a map, and is made accessible from every device on every location. This results in building information that is always up to date and automatically shared. Now, you can easily search and filter for the building information you need to make well-informed decisions. This way, you and your colleagues can quickly handle all incidents and requests, be on top of inspections, and prevent incidents with analytical data. One solution suitable for your entire portfolio. Vyer.